this is Max from Mac NYC. We're going to fix the TV guide that's been affecting everybody as of Friday, August 7th. If you go to Programs, hit OK on Programs. You're going to want to go down to TechBox iVUE Wizard. Select that. We're going to want to go to iVUE Tools. Select that. Go to Reset iVUE TV Guide Database. You're going to hit Yes. You're going to hit OK. What you're going to need to do at this point is go back. Let's launch iVUE TV Guide. When it starts up, you're going to notice that it's starting to download the data already. Okay, so now you see all the data is back. Now, before we actually start using this, you're going to go back again one sec. Go down to TechBox iVUE Wizard. You're going to select iVUE Tools, and you're going to install iVUE recommended settings. Once that's done, hit Yes. Okay, let's go back. Now, if we go back, and we launch iVUE TV Guide. Let's give it a second here. Okay, all our channels are back, and you know what? Let's pick something just to test. Here we go, and we're back. Everything is working 100%. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.